Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Ali from GCC Planting. Um, Today I'm going to talk about angel wing begonia. Angel wing begonia is a South American, it was first found in South America. It is kind of a cane begonia plant because it has a stem like a cane and it has very beautiful leaves, green leaves. I'm sorry for the cracks and holes because I just bought it a week before and it was like this already, so I hope I will make it healthier. And it has very beautiful flower. Actually, I really loved it the time I saw it. So anyway, well, let's go further. This is like uh, rainforest, you can say, plant, not say, it is rainforest plant, and it is most of the time under the story, under the trees, and it likes bright sunlight but not direct sunlight. So you have to be very careful in that matter because it needs light, because it is a flowering plant and most of the flowering plants needs light to produce flowers. So you have to keep it in a place where there is a bright light, but direct sunlight do not interact or touch to the plant because the leaves are very sensitive, they will burn. So angel wing begonia requires uh, like organized way of watering it. It likes to be moist, the soil has to be moist most of the time, but it has to, like, not watery. You cannot wet, it should not be wet. So the soil you should use is a well mixed potting soil. It should have perlite like I am having over here, the perlite. This keeps aeration going on in the soil, so the roots get air, and the soil dries up little quickly with this, because and also it doesn't let it hold the water. So that is the most important thing. And watering, like, you should water it after every 4 6 days. You can see, like, you can pinch your finger inside here and you can see if it is dry, it is not having moist. Also you can just hold it up and you can understand it was heavier or lighter. So when you are watering the plants, you get that experience by 2 3 times 4 times, like it is heavy or light, and based on that you can water it accordingly its requirements. But don't overwater it, or if you are overwater, then you should have a kind of a mixture which actually dries up the soil. What is happening in GCC most of the time when we buy plants, they have a soil in which they are being imported. So that soil is basically is a different soil because of the different country, different climate. And most importantly, you need to understand one thing: they are very professional, very organized, they know everything about plants, and they are taking every single step to take care of them, including time, light, temperature, humidity, everything. So we are in our home in GCC, we sometimes bring plants because we like them but we don't understand them. So we cannot without study, when we bring them and we don't give them proper care what they need, they die. So you have to be very careful when you buy a plant, because you need to study it first, you need to understand what is the plant requirement. So that's why, like, watering is one of the major thing. Without water it cannot live, but excess water will also kill it. Fertilize it after a month. So after a month you can use half of the recommended dose on the fertilizer you are using, any liquid fertilizer with high potassium. If you want flowerings and dark green colors, high potassium fertilizer will work. Temperature, like, it doesn't like more than less than 10 degrees centigrade, because it is like a hot weather plant, hot and humid weather plant. So for humidity and for heat, actually, I think in GCC we don't have a problem of heat. But yes, it need to be remained in then covered room with less than 35 degrees centigrade temperature. So that will be more ideal for it. And cold, of course, we are not worried, it will not get cold over here, so it's not a problem. But the humidity, what I am doing, I have more plants but we'll discuss about that later. For humidity, you can use these kind of cups which I am using, and group the plants together to keep it humidity to be plant to get its natural humidity. It doesn't require very high level of humidity, so it's fine. Like most of the plants, they are doing fine in my place because I have created an environment which actually gives them humidity. So it is poisonous, so be careful for pets and for children's. It is poisonous, so you have to be careful about that. And it likes to be root bound, so it is very good if you keep it in a small pot. Most of the plants we should not use big pots. It is not a good idea, but anyway, I'll just stick to this angel wings. uh, it likes to be root bound. Do not change the pot unless the roots start coming out of the pot. And you can keep it like this. This pot can work for up to 1 year. I'm not sure because this is my first plant, so I will experience it, and I'll keep sharing the videos with you. Thank you very much for all of you watching my video. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And inshallah, we'll be seeing each other soon.